Hello YouTube, Eric DIY here with another instructional video for you. Today we're replacing the cabin air filter in Mom's 2018 Toyota Highlander with Zach.
Hello.
And Maddie. First step is that you want it to go on the passenger side of the vehicle. And we're going to have to open up this glove compartment. And we have to take everything out because we got to take the glove compartment out. The cabin air filter is behind it. I recommend on getting an assistant to hold your stuff. Maddie, hang on to this stuff. Good job. The next step after emptying it out is grabbing it here, and there are clips on the side. You can push it on the sides and they'll come out, which is probably the better way of doing this, but you could also hold here, push back here, and it'll bend this in. But I like just tugging on the sides. We have this clip over here that we have to unclip, and if you're not careful, this has also clipped on the inside, so there's a lot of clips over here. The only thing you got to do is just tug on this to the side only. So we have our new cabin air filter ready. You might see that it says airflow up. So when we take out the old one, which is underneath the glove compartment right here, I'm gonna pull down on this just really carefully. And then the air filter is right here. It says up, right there. So the air filter has to have the arrow pointing up. So what we need to do next is after removing this door, we have to push down the clips on the side. This one and this one. I'm gonna have to do that off camera because it takes two hands to do that, both at the same time, and this door will come right out. And now that we got both sides there, we tug on the top a little bit, and this will come right out. And now our cabin air filter is there, and you can see that it says up with the arrows. So we're gonna make sure the arrows on our new one goes up. We're also gonna pay attention that the felt is on this side, so we'll make sure that the felt is on the other side. But let's take the old one out first. So here's the old cabin air filter. This is the way I took it, so you can see that the felt sides go on the front and back when you replace it. So make sure the felt's on the front, and then you just have pleats on the side. So in the new air filter, again, the airflow goes up. That goes towards the ceiling of the car. Pleats on the side. And this is just your cheap, ordinary, everyday cabin air filter. If we bought the car new, I would probably go with the casn reusable one. But seeing that's not, I'm just gonna put it right in the car. So here we go. So you can see that we have the old thing there. I'm gonna go the same way. I'm gonna put it in with the pleats on the side, airflow pointing up, and we're just gonna fit it right in there. And that's it. You successfully replaced your cabin air filter. You know, some things that dealerships charge you $50 to $80 for. We're gonna have the cap go back on, and that would be this thing. It has an up indication on it as well, so you can't really mess this up. Put it on the sides, clip it on the sides. And then finally, I'm gonna have this little door go up. Just gonna give it a little push, not much, it's kind of fragile. It's only held on by plastic here. A little push, and it should stay right there. Clip right up here, and you've replaced it. And now we just have to put the glove compartment back. You'll notice that this side thing moves up and down, but you just wanna carefully clip it on the side. And that guides the glove compartment in and out. If we push up on the glove compartment, you heard two things. I just put the clips on. So to put the glove compartment finally back in after clipping that, you just push it up and it locks in on the sides. And we're just gonna test that. But yeah, bad engineering on that. There's this little cap there. It's a whole debacle. Just make sure that you get that back on there and that the cap stays on. Finally, the most crucial step is to put all that stuff back in the glove compartment. You ready, Maddie? Now that everything's back in, we close up the glove box and we're done. And that is how you change the cabin air filter on a 2018 Toyota Highlander. Should be good for the new models too. They're all pretty much the same. If you want to buy the cabin air filter, look below for a link in the description below. We'll send you to Amazon. We can purchase your very own cabin air filter. Is usually located in the underneath the glove compartment box of every car. I want to thank Zach and Maddie for helping out today. And as always, if you like this video and you want to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and push that subscribe button below. While you're down there, also push on the bell notification icon so that way you'll be notified of future Eric DIY video releases. We appreciate all the support. Have a great day. As always, if you like this video, found it useful, please subscribe. And if you have a product that you would like reviewed, please contact Eric by emailing him at eric5150diy@gmail.com. Have a great day.